What's up everyone? This will be a quick tutorial on how to open a Gcash account outside the Philippines. To do this, you have to first check your country if your country is eligible for opening a Gcash account, and you can search that up in Google. What you have to do next is make sure you have proof of Filipino citizenship, because in order to get verified on Gcash, to be able to do transactions, you have to be verified on Gcash. And you have to provide Filipino citizenship identification, whether it be passport, national ID, etc. Next is you have to have a SIM number in the country you reside in, because you need to receive a verification code when opening a Gcash account outside or even in the Philippines. And all you have to do next is just create a new account in Gcash through the registration process. Make sure you double check the spelling of your name, make sure that your birth date is correct, because if you go through a verification process and one of your information doesn't match with your identification card, then you won't be able to be verified. And that is how you open a Gcash account outside the Philippines. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.